Hi everyone, welcome to FreeSoft, the home of industrialized mainframe modernization. In this session we are going to learn how typical mainframe applications can be migrated to MongoDB, the leading NoSQL database platform, and Java, by using FreeSoft's automated LiberatorWorkbench framework. Beyond the hyperscale-driven transformation of the infrastructure delivery market over the past few years, the mainframe remains an essential IT asset for many large enterprises and government agencies. Some, if not most, of the legacy mainframe core systems, the dinosaurs that have yet to be replaced, are still running on the same technology stack as they did 20 to 30 years ago. These transactional backbone systems are the most mission-critical, complex legacy core applications, obviously big, extremely complex and so integrated that it's a nightmare to break them. You know, the ones that nobody wants to touch because they are too risky? However, as reported by analysts, the modernization impulse is growing as lift and shift recedes, with organizations realizing that legacy technologies are holding back their modernization and digital transformation strategies, and turning more towards the removal of legacy platforms rather than the traditional quick win and rehosting projects. MongoDB and FreeSoft can assist mainframe users to move their legacy core systems to open platforms, public or private cloud, hybrid cloud or traditional on-prem infra, running MongoDB and Java native. The result? Faster innovation and go-to-market, easier adaptation, technical debt removed, improved customer experience, and reduced costs. FreeSoft's LiberatorWorkbench allows you to modernize key applications from the mainframe to a modern data platform and development stack, without impacting your daily business but still retiring all legacy technology components. The mainframe modernization solution you choose should apply risk mitigation techniques and minimize changes in your business processes. To achieve this, not only the mainframe business applications but the host-side services also should be replaced on the open system, either by conversion or by utilizing a proper replacement component. For both business applications and host-side services, LiberatorWorkbench has the appropriate tools to replace or modernize each component. I'm going to use today the card demo open source showcase application provided by AWS to demonstrate how typical mainframe applications can be refactored to the leading NoSQL database MongoDB and Java native. Card demo is built on typical mainframe components like COBOL online and batch programs, CICS BMS for online transaction processing, JCL, and various ZOS utilities for dataset management and vSAM file manipulation. Functionally, Card Demo is a mainframe credit card management application that allows you to view and update account information, credit card data, and transactions as a back-office business user, or to adjust user role and credentials by logging in as an administrator who can view, add, update, and delete other users. Let's see how it works after loading and building it on a mainframe. It's quite simple. We need to start the main CICS transaction called CCOO, which brings us to a user authentication screen. Card Demo also comes with some test data for its authentication transaction, so when we run it we can log in and run the business transactions accordingly. We have admin user and normal business user roles here. I'm logging in with an admin user and checking what we are allowed to do. We can list users, modify them or delete them, and of course, we can add new users. That's what I'm doing now. I'm adding a new business user called Rick Jordan. He is going to be a normal business user, and then I'm going to log in with this new user and start the credit card listing transaction, paging a bit forward then backward with function keys. Okay, so we are done with this user admin transaction on the mainframe. Our new user is stored with proper credentials in our vSAM file now. Now I'm switching to the converted Java and MongoDB version, which was created by the LiberatorWorkbench from the mainframe datasets and application, in a fully automated process, driven by industrialized conversion pipelines. The COBOL sources have been converted to native Java, CICS BMS maps to HTML and JSON, the data migrated to MongoDB, and batch jobs are also converted to Spring Batch. My application is deployed and running in a Tomcat application server hosting the Bootstrap and jQuery based online application, and also the Spring Batch application is hosted in the container for this demo. Let's start the same transaction CCOO and execute the same steps as we did on the mainframe. Add our new business user with the same name, log off, and log in again with this new user to see the credit card listing transaction. As you can see, the navigation and flow are quite similar to the original COBOL mainframe one. The impact on end-user experience is minimal, which can be pretty much important when you have thousands of users. If I want to reload my database the same way as I loaded vSAM originally on the mainframe from a batch job, I just simply need to run the converted batch instead of the JCL here, where I have all my JCL converted to Spring Batch. Now briefly let's check our database, post-conversion. We have all data in MongoDB accessed by the Java application. I use the MongoDB Compass tool to connect to our MongoDB instance and open the database which holds the collections that we created from the various datasets. Here we go. Opening the credit card collection, for example, we can see here all the credit card data migrated from the mainframe EBCDIC datasets. FreeSoft's Data Liberator tool can migrate the legacy schema and data unload from mainframe to MongoDB in fully automated processes, supporting all requested features like code page conversions, data structure mapping, and others. Also, the mainframe utility replacement tools in LiberatorWorkbench can use MongoDB as the target database for storing and manipulating datasets like vSAM in this case, for instance. Thank you for watching. If you are interested to hear more about MongoDB and FreeSoft's mainframe modernization practice, please contact us via the link below.